Hey friends, welcome back. If your REM gas water heater is flashing 7 times, that's not a minor warning, it's a serious alert pointing to a gas control valve failure. This valve is one of the most important parts of your heater because it controls how gas reaches the burner. When it stops working correctly, gas flow is interrupted and your water heater shuts down to prevent unsafe operation, leaving you with no hot water. This error is commonly reported on REM gas models, especially units manufactured around the early 2020 period. The heater signals this fault using a repeating 7 flash pattern, usually with a blue or red indicator light, making it easier to identify the issue without special tools. Before assuming the valve has failed completely, start with basic checks. Make sure the main gas supply valve is fully open and that gas service to your home is active. Next, inspect the wiring connected to the gas control valve for loose plugs, corrosion, or visible damage. You can also attempt a reset by turning the heater off, waiting several minutes, and powering it back on. In some cases, airflow problems can trigger this error, so check the exhaust vent for blockages like debris or nesting. The thermocouple should also be inspected, as dirt or soot buildup can cause false shutdown signals. If the error continues, the gas control valve usually needs replacement, which is a professional level repair. Because gas systems are involved, it's safest to contact a licensed technician if troubleshooting doesn't clear the code.